Welcome. In front of me is a UMIDIGI G5 Tab, and today I will show you how we can enable and set up your hotspot. So to get started, we're gonna swipe down from the top of our screen, which will bring down our toggles, and next just find the hotspot toggle. If it's not visible by default, which looks to be the case, we will need to add it ourselves by clicking on this pencil right here and then scrolling down and finding it right here. As you can see, grab it, it lifts up and drag it above, and you can drop it wherever, go back wherever above the actual text that was there. And once you see it in the panel right here, first time around I recommend holding it. This will take you to the settings, and I recommend going into the hotspot password, as it is a randomly generated password. So get rid of it, set up your own new password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length. Click on OK. You can close this up if you don't want to change anything else in here. Find it again, tap on it to turn it on, and you're good to go. Now, as you can see, when you enable your hotspot, it also turns off your Wi-Fi, as it uses the same antennas to do both things, and it can only do one at a time. So once you're done using your hotspot, you can tap on the toggle once more to turn it off, and this will also re-enable your Wi-Fi automatically. So there we go. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.